I say, and I say this to my own wife, do not ask the kids what you want to eat. She says, no, but come on, Nah, just cook and tell them eat or go. SubhanAllah. No, I can't find it in my heart to do that. All right, pay the price. Pay the price. This is how it was. Thank Allah, you had one pot, and a lot of the times in our ethnicity, it was rice. Some form of rice. This way, that way, whatever it was. And you had to eat it, and that's it. If you didn't, it's gone. We used to thank Allah. We used to look forward to the pot. We used to see it nice and hot, and we were excited, come back quickly from school, and we have a plate, and we're there, and we're waiting for our serving, and we're gone. Now, forget about that. You take your own. It's made according to you, and it's done according to you, and it's your whatever. Still, there's ingratitude. No more. Because we are living in an age where ingratitude is being indoctrinated into the minds and the hearts of the people to the degree that they are not happy with life.